Difference between data and information according to general idea, computer, quantum mechanics, and philosophy. General idea. There is a subtle difference between data and information. Data are the facts or details from which information is derived. Individual pieces of data are rarely useful alone. For data to become information, data needs to be put into context. For example, how to catch a fish. First, where each fish, then what fish eats, and how to catch it by fishing a rod. All those things are data, and fishing is complete information from the data. Data. The word data comes from a single Latin word datum, which originally means something given. Its early uses dates back to the 16th century. Over time, data has become the popular of the term. Information. The word information is an older word that dates back to the 13th century and has Old French and Middle English origin. It has always referred to the act of informing, usually in regard to education, instruction, or other knowledge communication. According to IT, data. Data is raw, unorganized fact that need to be processed. Data can be something simple and seemingly random and useless until it is organized. Information. When data is processed, organized, structured, or presented in a given context so as to make it useful, it is called information. Example. Every pixel is data and the meaningful arrangement of pixels is image, which is information. Pixels are data as well as information because it gives information about a particular color. A pixel is also made of small data known as bits. Quantum mechanics deals with the smallest scale of universe. According to quantum mechanics, everything that we can observe is information, not data. If you are observing an object like the ball, you are really observing information about two quantum properties of that object. One is position, other is momentum. Without these two quantum information, the object must not exist. That's why we take all the real things as information, not as data. According to philosophy, this is just vision on information, not about information philosophy. Philosophy says that everything we know is information. Every data is also information. It's depend on the viewer, what the viewer wants to know. If something is data for someone, it may be information for someone else. Example, 0AB10NM. It is the unorganized data for you, containing numbers and characters only. But it may be a useful information for someone who saved $10 million in a safe having this password in it. Bye friends, see you soon in next video.